Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful mobile pouch using this scrap cloth. It's so fun to make and also it's very simple. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have taken a piece of fabric of length 9.5 inch and width is 9.5 inch. So I have taken one more fabric of the same width and length and also an interface. Firstly, place the interface, then the fabric. Now I have taken one more fabric of width 12 inch and length is 9.5 inch. Now I am folding it and place the fabric here. Again, place the right side inside, then make a stitch at the edge or the corner by leaving 1 or 2 inch space. Here we are leaving some 2 inch space. I have finished attaching. Now make a small cuts at the corner. Turn this inside out. This is how it looks. I am going to finish this raw edge. For that I have taken a bias tape. I'll place the bias tape at the wrong side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch. Then turn and make a stitch at the right side. I have taken a pieces. First place interface, then fabric and make a stitch at all the sides. Just fold it and make a stitch. Now make a stitch at all the 3 sides. Turn this inside out. Place this or insert this at the open and fold the raw edge by once and make a stitch. And also make a top stitch for the pouch. Fold the pouch and mark the center. Then make a stitch at the center. Now attach the Velcro. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.